Hi, today we are going to talk about hierarchy method in Power BI. So how it will come, how it will work. So for example, if I choose any of the graph, so for example, I'm going to choose the stacked chart. Here I'm selecting a value. So for example, I'm selecting city-wise sales. So it will provide like this city-wise sales value and it will calculate it and it will provide the detail. All right. Suppose if I'm using a date-wise data. So for example, I'll just minimize it. So suppose if I'm instead of using city, if I'm going to choose date-wise performance. So for example, I'm just selecting a date column. See, when we are selecting a date, it will show like year, quarter, month, day. So this is called it as hierarchy method. So it will elaborate. So even if you are checking this, seeing this graph, it will show the year-wise performance 2018, 2017, and 2016. You can see the entire data in this hierarchy. So if you don't want this hierarchy, you can just click down arrow and choose only date. Then what happen? It will provide the date-wise performance. So for example, July day 1, day 2, day 3, what happened, and Jan day 1, day 2, day 3, what happened, everything it will display. When it comes to hierarchy method, it will show like year wise performance. When you are choosing this hierarchy, automatically this drill through will get activated. This is called it as drill through option. So if you have cursor, it will show drill up or drill down. Likewise, we have some symbols. This is called it as drill through option. How it will work? So for example, now when I'm choosing hierarchy method, this will show like 2016, 17 because I have 3 years data. So it is showing 3 years data's values. So if I click one step down, drill down, this is expand all down one level hierarchy. So you have to click drill down option, this option. Then what happened in this 2016, we have multiple quarters like first 3 months quarter one, second 3 months quarter two, third another 3 months is quarter three and quarter four. So in this particular year we have 4 quarters. In this 4 quarters, what is the performance? It will highlight. And if you click one step again down, that drill down, then what happened? It will show like in quarter there will be 3 months, right? In this each month, what is the performance? It will show like this. If I click again to the drill down option, so it will show. So in January we have 31 days. In this January, each day what is the performance? Likewise, we can see the entire data in one particular graph. So we have 3 years data and the years are splitted 2016, 17, 18, and then the quarter was splitted and then month was splitted and then date was splitted. So it is showing, finally it was showing date wise performance. You can show how you want to present it, whether you want to show month wise, whether you want to show quarter wise, and whether you want to show year wise. So if you want to go back, then they have to click on drill up option. It will go back one step. So again, it will show month wise performance. Again, it will show quarter wise performance. Again, it will show year wise performance. So this drill up will provide the year wise performance from, it will start from year wise performance and drill down, it will elaborate one step down, down, down. So year and then quarter and then month and then date, it will show like this. And we have another option, it is called it as next level hierarchy. So this second button, it is not, it is click on to turn on drill down, it is not necessary. If you want to choose, you can choose that, there is no big difference when you are choosing this particular symbol. But this particular hierarchy, this is called it as next level hierarchy. Okay, if you want to analyze in a different manner, so next level hierarchy, what it will do now, if I'm clicking next level hierarchy, in this 3 years, each year we have one quarter two, one quarter three, one quarter four. So this is the cumulative of this particular 3 years. So each year we have quarter one, it will add together and it will provide the overall quarter one performance and overall quarter two performance and overall quarter three performance and overall quarter four performance. In these 3 years, each quarter, which quarter is going high and which quarter is going low, that we can able to analyze in this next level hierarchy. If you click one more step, then it will show overall month wise performance. In this 3 years, we have 3 January, 3 February, 3 March. So the cumulative of January, what is the sales performance? And the cumulative of February, what is the performance? Cumulative of March, what is the performance? It will show like this. If I go to next level hierarchy, then automatically it will show like day wise performance. Each month it will take 31 days. No, uh, the entire first day, what is the sale performance? The entire second day, what is the sale performance? It is a cumulative of that each date. So it will show the overall performance on that particular day. So regularly, and which date is the sale was good, going good. Likewise, it will show. No, if I'm going to work the same thing, if I want to work in Excel, it will take minimum 15 to 30 minutes. But in Power BI, in fraction of second, we can able to calculate these things. So if you have this hierarchy drill up option, we can able to easily find out how it will calculate. Thanks for watching.